Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prashant Kulkarni. I'm a consultant intervention cardiologist practicing at Care Hospitals Group, Hyderabad. And I'll be talking about ARBs in CVD in the live webinar on 21st September at 6 p.m. And as you know, angiotensin receptor blockers are one of the important medications that many patients of CVDs are using. And we will be discussing about the various aspects, the indications, and other RCTs which show an important role for ARBs in CVD. And I thank MacLeod for these important initiatives and DocMod for providing this educational platform. In fact, in view of World Heart Week, this will be the series of webinars that will be conducted, starting with this webinar on 21st September. And I hope all of you will be joining for this live webinar on 21st September at 6 p.m. And I'm looking forward to meet you all on 21st September at 6 p.m. Thank you.